Alright, what we're going to do is replace this rubber bushing. You can see it's about to fall off of there anyhow. So we got a new one. They're cheap. Might as well replace everything while you're got this thing this far apart. So what I got here is some O-ring lubricant. Probably Vaseline at work or anything like that. I'm just going to put a loose little tiny bit on there. Good enough. Not too much. The tool I'm going to use is my plumb bob. It's just about the right size string. It's braided pretty strong. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing or not, but I'm just passing the string through the hole. Give it a wrap, about like that. Give it a quarter turn twist. Undo my string. A lot of people on the forum struggle with this. That's probably it's important to make a video. No matter how string out of it. Alright, got the string out. We're all done. So it's pretty easy with this string. A little bit of lube. Just push down lightly and pull on the string. Just give it a little push. You're done.